So right ahead of filing his nomination from Varanasi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put the Mandir Betas on notice with a powerful message. Addressing his first rally of the day in West Bengal's Barakpur, the Prime Minister vowed at least 5 guarantees, among which 2 were direct responses to the India bloc leaders who are constantly indulging in politics over Ram Mandir. Today, the Prime Minister said that till the time he is in power, nobody can reverse the Ram Mandir verdict and that nobody can block Ram Navami celebrations in West Bengal. This comes in the back of one of the Congress leaders saying that if the party comes to power, they will do a Shuddhikaran of Ram Mandir. Not too long ago, former Gandhi family loyalist Acharya Pramod Krishnan claimed that Rahul Gandhi discussed plan to reverse the Ram Mandir verdict using his father Shah Bano template. First up, let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said today.
जब तक मोदी है, राम नवमी मनाने से, भगवान राम की पूजा से कोई आपको रोक नहीं पाएगा। जब तक मोदी है, राम मंदिर पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला है, उस फैसले को कोई पलट नहीं पाएगा।
Mohit is joining us live right now. Mohit, we have seen as far as the Prime Minister is concerned, he actually takes up all of the issues that are raised by the opposition and all, gives them a response one by one. Today, he gave a response and a hard-hitting one, and that too on Ram Mandir.
Well, yes, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, perhaps for the first time, has spoken on this particular issue, that till there is Modi, nobody will be able to reverse the decision on Ram Mandir. So clearly, a clear message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amita, in a rally in West Bengal. And we know for a fact that how it has come just before his nomination from Varanasi. Tomorrow, he will be here in Varanasi for the nomination. And after that, on 14th, he'll be having a big nomination rally. And now we see that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken on this particular issue, and he's clearly stated that till the time Modi is there, nobody will be able to reverse the decision of the court of construction of Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya, because we have seen many of the leaders have spoken about this, that when they come to power, they will reverse the decision. Many of the this has come from the various aspects of the society, various sections of the society. So clearly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaking about this, and he also talked about that how the reservation which is meant for the SC, ST and the Dalits will not be given to the Muslims till the time Modi is here. So clearly a strong message coming in from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now this comes at a time when the opposition is also attacking PM Modi on the issue of reservation, saying that BJP wants 400 seats in the parliament because they want to change the constitution, and without having 400 seats they cannot change the constitution, and they want to change the reservation which is meant for the SC, ST and OBCs. While PM has been saying this, that the opposition is trying to politicize the whole issue. In fact, they are the ones who are trying to infringe into the quota of the SC, ST and OBCs, and they want to give it to the people from the Muslim community for the sake of appeasement politics. So PM has spoken about 2 major issues today, Amita, that how exactly till the time Modi is there, nobody will be able to take the reservation which is meant for SC, ST and OBCs and will be able to give to Muslims. And secondly, that how the decision of Supreme Court regarding construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya cannot be reversed. So we have to wait and watch what exactly would be the reaction coming in from the opposition parties on this. But this statement, Amita, has come, as I was saying earlier, at a time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be here at Kashi Dham tomorrow, will be holding a mega roadshow, and day after tomorrow he will be filing his nomination from Varanasi. Back to you.
Of course, that's a big breaking development there, because there has been unending Rajniti on Ram Mandir. And this is also coming at a time, Mohit, on one side we're looking at the opposition leaders, certain of them who have been raising issues not just on our security forces but anti-terror operations, and the other big one has always been Ram Mandir. And these are the 2 issues we have seen time and again. The Prime Minister in his multiple election rallies has been raising it, whether it comes to the opposition's Pak Prem, or now even when it comes to the no prem that is shown towards Ram Lalla in Ayodhya.
Well, as in fact, you see, we have seen that how the opposition parties have made certain statements on Ram Mandir. We have seen how the statement coming in from Nala Patole talking about that how the Shuddhikaran of Ram Temple would be done if Congress comes to power, and a proper ritual by all the Shankaracharyas would be done, which was met with severe criticism from the BJP. And now we see that how exactly Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken about this issue, saying that till the time Modi is there, nobody will be stopped from praying in Ram Temple in Ayodhya. So clearly we see all the
Prime
reactions
Minister
that
has
have been
other rallies
coming
also
from.
planned when we talk about in the state of West Bengal.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.